click on Settings, and then on the left hand side, scroll down until you get to Lock Screen, and then click on Screen Lock and Biometrics. And now we can select password. So let's go ahead and select password. Now we need at least 4 characters, including 1 letter. So let's go ahead and do S, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try again. S, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got our letter and our number here. Now this is all set. Now next time we lock the screen, we will have to first swipe up and then let us go ahead and enter the password here. So S, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit done, and now we're back in. And that is how you set a password lock screen for your Samsung tablet. Now if you want to go ahead and remove it, let's come on back down here to lock screen. Let's select screen lock and biometric once again. Now we have to enter the password just to confirm. So let's put back in that password, continue. And then all we have to do is set it back to none, just like that. And now, next time we lock the screen and we open it, we're back in there without any passwords. And that's how you do it.